Hey everyone, my name is Jake Nelson, the exercise physiologist from the Blessing Wellness Center. Today I'm going to talk about pushing and pulling objects. So usually you would have a cart. Today I'm going to use this wipes container, which is pretty heavy, and then this table. You're going to find yourself pushing and pulling a lot of different types of objects. This is just one thing that we have lying around the Wellness Center quite often that I do have to push quite a bit. So same rules as when you go down to pick something up. You always want to brace your core before any move. When you do that, you're creating a brace, which is like your body's natural back brace, and it will protect your spine throughout the movement. Now, it's generally recommended to push an object instead of pulling an object whenever possible. There are some situations where it makes sense to pull instead of push, like if you're going at an incline, you obviously don't want the weight to fall down on you, so you will have to pull it rather than push it, but generally if you can, try to push. Also, if you know that something's going to be heavy, it's recommended to find a tool to move, or for instance, if I don't want to carry this box, I can put it on this, and it's almost always going to be easier to push and pull rather than carry something a long distance. So use carts. Carts are your best friend. Knowing how to push them makes your life a lot easier. So first I'm going to push. I'm going to, again, similar to carrying an object, square your legs up to the object, load from the hips, push your hips back. You'll be slightly pushed forward, take a big breath, and then you want to push with your legs doing the work. So your arms stay steady, your legs are driving you forward. That will protect your shoulder as you're pushing things. A lot of times you see people try and push objects using all of their upper body. Well, that's one of the main risk factors for tearing a rotator cuff or shoulder impingement or some other issue. So now I'm going to do pulling, and remember, generally you'd like to push if at all possible, pulling if situations call for it. Same thing, you want to square up, take a big breath, and take small steps and pull back this way. As long as you're braced here, you can do a lot of different things. As long as you load from the hips, you can also do a lot of different things and protect your back. Again, we recommend either finding carts that you can push or using other equipment that does the work for you. Also, be mindful of the friction, the surface that you're pushing on. For instance, this is carpet. That's going to make it a little bit harder to push. If it is smooth or concrete, it's going to be a lot easier to push. So being aware of your surroundings and just making sure that you keep your core braced and you're always using your legs when possible will help keep your joints healthy and stable throughout the movement. So thank you guys for watching.